What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video, I'm going to review another masterpiece from an Emirati niche house known as JABER and Kindi. I have already reviewed few of their fragrances, and you can check those reviews on my channel if you are interested. I'm going to put all the links in the description box, so if you are interested, you can check those reviews. But let me tell you that JABER and Kindi, they are producing something amazing. Their fragrances are very opulent, very exotic, and really rich smelling type of fragrances. So if you ever wanted to smell like a rich man, you can check this out and you can check their fragrances. Don't trust on me. Do check out their fragrances and then decide by yourself. So in this video, I'm going to review one of their another masterpiece known as Garden of Treasures Limited Edition. And this one comes from their Noble Exclusives line. So let's start the review, and I'm going to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. Is it really worth it or not? So as always, we will start with the presentation first, and then we will talk about the fragrance. You will get this perfume in this beautiful packaging. You can have a look here. This is a sleeve, the logo of JABER and Kindi here on the top, then the name of the perfume, Garden of Treasures Limited Edition, name of the collection, Noble Exclusives, and some detail here. It's a 50 ml bottle with extrait de parfum concentration. And then you will find some details here in the back of the sleeve. So you can read this story once you get this box for yourself. And now let me show you the box. So once you remove this sleeve, you will find a beautiful luxury leather box. Let me show you. And here you go. You can see the box here. It comes with this leather finish. You can see the logo of JABER and Kindi once again here. Nothing on the sides, nothing in the back. It's a solid box with this beautiful leather finish. And once you're going to open the box, the first thing you will get here is this logo of JABER and Kindi, once again printed on this velvet, and you will find this card here. So here on this card, you will find the story, or you can say inspiration behind this perfume. You can see here, it's about Garden of Treasures, some details, and then here some details about their Noble's Exclusives line, and some fragrance description with some olfactory accords. So this is the card you will find here. And now let me show you the bottle and see how good this bottle looks in this beautiful packaging. All of their bottle looks the same. They have this particular style of bottles. So here you go. This is what you will get, a beautiful bottle with a very nice and premium finish. Then you will find this metallic plate here with the name of the perfume, Gardens of Treasure. This is a 50 ml bottle. You can see the size and you can see the shape of the bottle. It's a tapered shape bottle. The cap here is made of metal and it's very heavy, but the fit is very snug. See, it's tightly fitted cap and it takes a lot of force to remove it. And then, wow. This fragrance is really something amazing. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So first of all, let me give you the olfactive accords. This is what they called it on their official website. So here you will get spicy, oriental, and amber accords in the top, and then you will get some fresh aromatic florals in the mid, and then some sweet, fruity, citrusy accords in the base. So this is the description provided by their official website. And now I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, before we start our fragrance review, let me tell you, this thing smells so rich. All of their fragrances, either it is like Bracelets of Kisra, Palace de Aziz, King Tron Rupo, they all smell luxurious, they all smell very expensive, and they gives you that rich and opulent kind of feel. Mark my words, do check out these fragrances, and only then you will know what I'm talking about. So the quality, blending, everything is top notch here. So this is the first thing. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So the idea behind this perfume is very simple, very obvious from the name. This is Gardens of Treasures. So this is a perfume inspired by paradise. So they have tried to capture the smell or the essence of paradise. So this was about the inspiration behind this perfume, and now let's talk about the fragrance. I have already sprayed this perfume on my hand before I have started the review, so I can tell you that this one smells so good. It got a very sweet, smoky and spicy kind of opening. There's a beautiful accord of amber here, and then you will get some sweet and dense kind of citruses on the top mixed with some warm spices. So you will get a fusion of fresh and warm accords here. It smells very nice. That smokiness, that woody kind of vibe is so nice here. There is another beautiful blend of rose and saffron here in this amalgamation, which works very nicely with all the other accords. And it gives you that beautiful smoky, woody, rosy kind of feel here, spicy kind of feel here. And then towards the second phase, this one becomes a little bit more spicy and more woody. And then towards the dry down, it becomes like a sweet, woody kind of scent. Oud plays a very nice role here. This is not a perfume which you can buy for the sake of oud here. Oud is working as a fixative here. So oud is doing its own magic in the back and it's keeping all the accords together, all the notes together. So this is how this perfume smells. The feel, as I've told you earlier so many times, that it's opulent, it's rich. So if you want to smell like a rich princess or like a rich prince, do check it out. So this was about the fragrance. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let me tell you that this is a very dynamic kind of perfume here. You will got layers and layers of different accords and they will keep hitting your nose every now and then and you will be experiencing the whole journey. The whole experience of this perfume is really excellent. So if you like dynamic kind of scents which keep changing with the time, do check it out and you will be loving it. This is a journey in a bottle. They have captured a whole journey in this one bottle. If we talk about the performance wise, this is bombastic. The lasting of this perfume is not in hours but in days, and once you apply this perfume on your fabric, it's going to stay with you for days. And now let's talk about the age group. So if you're around the age of like 23, 24, 25, it's going to suit you best. And if you talk about the gender, this is a purely unisex type of scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it easily without any issue. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So for season or weather, this is a perfume which you can use all year around. It's not going to be a big issue, but for the best experience, use this perfume in cold weather. When it's winter, it's going to rock like nothing else in the world. And if we talk about the occasion, this is a perfume you should wear in a very special occasion. So if it's your wedding, especially if it's your wedding or if you're going to a wedding, use this perfume. People are literally going to ask you that what you are wearing. So for birthday parties, for weddings, for something very special, for high class meetings, if you're going to meet with some very VVIP people, you have something very big in your life, use this perfume. Other than that, it's totally up to you. You can use this perfume wherever you want. Just avoid the gym because this is not a perfume which is going to give you a very good vibe in the gym because you need something fresh in the gym or in your sports activities. Other than that, whenever you are well dressed and whenever you want to feel rich and opulent, use this perfume. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume in 50 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation, and the concentration here is around 30%. So it's extrait de parfum concentration here, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 580 UAE dirhams. Yes, it's expensive, but it's totally worth it. Don't blind buy. Don't buy it because I am saying it. Don't trust me. Try it yourself. You can contact these people, see if you can arrange some samples or if you can visit their store in Dubai. If they have any, I'm not sure. Do check it out by yourself. Don't blind buy. Do some sampling first and buy only when you are satisfied. So this was my review about Garden of Treasures. A beautiful blend and it smells just wow. So I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box if you have ever tried this perfume or if you have ever tried any perfume from this house. I would love to hear that. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.